shop raffle, just full send.
I trust Racebox.
We'll
Should
find out,
too.
man. Hey, yo. Hello. What are we doing?
Do you see how all of our murals and everything just have Infinities and Nissans? BMW. BMW, BMW, BMW. BMW, BMW, BMW.
Oh, what's that?
BMW down there.
What's this?
One Nissan. BMW back there. BMW, Audi, BMW. Nissan tuners, baby.
Why do we like this?
Alright, let's do this. This is one BMW owner. One BMW owner. Man, this one doesn't have MHD Plus though.
Yeah, it's kind of gay.
Hey, why are you calling me broke?
I am, kind of.
Do you still remember how to put these cars in dyno mode?
Listen, what are you talking about? I do this all the time.
Once you get it rolling, you gotta get it rolling. I gotta check the strap.
Cooking. Look, I don't even have MHD Plus. I don't have none of that. I bought it like that, okay? Just give me time. But Hussein is cooking right now, so I guess we'll see how much power we're gonna make at the end of the day. But I trust Racebox.
We'll
Should
find out,
too.
man. So all this car has is a 60s intake, a catalyst downpipe, and then he has a let's see back here, a catback exhaust from Alibaba. Is it an Alibaba exhaust?
Probably.
Yeah, there's no brand on it, but it's a catback. I mean, it doesn't matter too much for making power, but it just sounds good.
Right here,
What's up?
50 extra horsepower. The frame.
There you go, yeah.
Thank you.
My pleasure, bro. My pleasure.
Jay?
Yeah!
Alright, so next car we have is a M3 Competition X-Drive. He was already tuned by us on MHD, except now he got catless downpipes versus the stock downpipes that he was on before. The car made good power on the stock downpipes, but obviously we had to keep it conservative for the stock cats. So the only thing we changed today is putting on a set of, I believe, MAD catless downpipes, and then we're gonna put it back on the dyno, retune it, and then see if we can hit that 700 plus horsepower. Hussein has left us again, so just me here now. I'm gonna get this car lined up on the dyno and get it strapped down, and then we'll get this going.
Jack stand, fuck it.
Check this out. These are almost brand new shoes. 3 weeks old. This is what happens when you do this shit all day. If you guys want to help out the channel, I wear a size 9.5 Vans. You know the address. Do what you gotta do. So this car is a good example of what a simple, well, I guess as simple as it can get setup wise. Stock intakes on this car, which honestly is fine. I mean, pick whatever one that sounds the best, right? Get the Mishimoto open filter ones, get the arcade tunes, front mount intakes, doesn't matter, they're all going to be about the same. This car does have a Visconti Cambox Pro flex fuel kit. Very simple kit to install. I believe this is the PT Can 2 version, where it just hijacks this connector right here. We keep them in stock along with the MHD flex fuel kit. So here is his last dyno graph pulled up on the stock downpipes. So it makes 692 horsepower and 674. Goddamn, and 675-ish torque. This is not bad. This is pretty insane for a stock downpipe car. I mean, we're talking a completely stock car with just a flex fuel kit and the tune. So this is what you can expect on a setup like that. So today our goal is just to make 700 horsepower or 700 plus horsepower, not really pushing the car like before, because before we were really pushing the car, trying to yeet the wastegates, trying to make boost, especially in the heat, just to make this power. We were hoping for 700 horsepower last time, and we were very close, but it's just not worth it for a few more horsepower to really push the car like that. So today with the downpipes, I'm hoping for an easy 700 plus horsepower. And yeah, let me flash the car and then let's run it. The other thing is this car already has ethanol in the tank. It's like 848 right now, so I can't really do a 93 tune today, but I'm not going to change too much on 93. This car already made 600 horsepower on 93, so I'll leave that as is. If he gets me some street logs afterwards on 93, we can take a look and see if we can up it a little bit. Click map right, and we'll just let it cook. Gonna do the dyno mode on this car. It's a little bit different than the Supra we just did. So you press and hold the BC button and go to chassis dyno, hold it, and at this point I don't think you have to do this. I do it anyways. I just turn DSC off, put it in M2, and then I confirm and I start the car. Casco in there, it's not gonna be as obnoxious as some of the other cars have done. We're not gonna spend too much time on it because the tune is, it's 90% there. The only thing we changed is the boost control for downpipes. So I'm gonna do let's check the ethanol content real quick. It's at like E40A, almost E50. So what I'm gonna do is do a low boost pull map 1. I have that set to about 26 psi, 26, 27 psi. I'm gonna check that, make sure boost control is good. It's not doing anything weird with the downpipes. And then if everything's good, or if I need to make an adjustment, we'll run map 2, the high boost map, and see what it makes. That's what I expected for map 1. That's our low boost map. So let me check the log, see how boost control is. Alright, boost is nice and smooth. It's very nice actually, but it is a little bit under target, so we're gonna fix that. a little too hot. So I think this might be the best it's gonna make today. 702 horsepower, a lot more torque from before, 693 torque. So not bad. I would like to see more, but I mean, this is what these cars generally make on our dyno. I'm sure with better airflow in here, these cars will be making 720, 730 horsepower easy. So yeah. Alright, next up we have this G87 M2 that we just finished up. Very simple setup. The only mods are catless downpipes, MHD flex fuel kit, stock intakes, and then I believe it's a stock exhaust. We will be running this car with the stock tune as a baseline. Then we're gonna flash the MHD's off-the-shelf tunes, the stage 2. And then we're going to custom tune this car on 93 and also on E50. So this will be a flex fuel tune, so the customer can put in pretty much whatever fuel from 93 all the way up to E50. Or 78 horsepower stock, 451. That's almost the same as an M3 or M4. Now I'm going to flash OTS stage 2. Horsepower and 537 torque from just the off-the-shelf stage 2 tune. And this is still 93. Not bad. This is pretty similar, actually almost the exact same as the M3s and M4s on the off-the-shelf tune. 586 torque. That's we're gonna leave it at that for 93. No point pushing more than that. Alright, so we ended up with 705 horsepower, and one of the runs made 700 torque, and the other one, the last one we just did, made 706. So we actually tried to tried to eat it more to see what it will take, but it ended up making the same power with a little bit more torque because we push a little bit more boost down low, but that's not really worth it. So we're gonna back it off to 705 horsepower and 700 torque. Leave it at that. This is plenty for a rear-wheel drive M2. So unless he gets some tires, we might even have to turn him down once he gets on the street, just because it won't hook. There is a stock run 478 horsepower and 451 torque, and then the Carl 93 made 604 and 586 torque. Very nice actually for 93. And then of course 705 horsepower. Right now the car's on E45, but the car can take up to E50. So very fun car right here. But yep, that's it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content versus our usual kind of vlog slash focusing on one car, one project. This is just kind of showing you what goes on in a day when it comes to dyno tuning. I kind of really focused on just showing the BMWs from today. We actually did 2 VR30s in between these 3 cars, so we did 5 cars total on the dyno. I didn't film those because we actually had some issues with one of the cars shredding a belt on the dyno, and that took up a good chunk of our afternoon. So I didn't want to make this video super long, so I just kind of showed the cars that made really good power today. So not saying the VR30 can't make power, it's just today's not the day for them. So I think the next episode we're going back to the Q50, our shop Q50. If you guys were waiting for content on that car, that's the next episode. This is just something in between the episodes to kind of show you guys what goes on at the shop. So yeah, see you.
It's not so bad.